Bikram Singh has a mortgage renewal looming on his Vancouver area townhome.
Right now, I'm looking at the renewal rates somewhere between 6 and 6.5%. So that's going to be like bringing my payments 30 to 40% up. So that's going to be a significant chunk of money that I'll be spending every month.
Singh was already just trying to keep his head above water.
I'm the sole income earner in my family, so that definitely puts some stress.
About 2.2 million mortgages are up for renewal in the next 2 years, according to federal data. Those households will be paying a lot more with record low rates in the rearview mirror. Kevin Larkin doesn't think he can keep his Surrey, BC home on a teacher's salary.
I've just been running the numbers, and I don't see how I'm going to be able to renew and afford this.
Finance Minister Chrystia Freeland says Ottawa is doing what it can to avoid a spike in foreclosures.
I want Canadians to get through this. I want Canadians to be able to afford their mortgages and keep their homes.
That's where the government's new mortgage charter comes in. A series of guidelines for banks, including allowing temporary extensions of amortization periods so people can take longer to pay, and exempting homeowners from a stress test when switching lenders at renewal.
Most banks were doing many of these things.
This real estate watcher says the charter won't change much. People are already offloading properties they can't afford, and it could get worse.
And if rates stay in the sixes for another 12 months, we're going to have potentially and very likely some downward pressure on prices. I mean, something's going to break.
The good news is inflation seems to have stabilized. The bad news, interest rates might not go down as fast as they went up. The governor of the Bank of Canada has warned people should prepare to live with higher rates for longer. JP Tasker, CBC News, Ottawa.